The Loveliest Wishes card kit creates 9 cards, 3 each of 3 designs to celebrate birthdays and other festive occasions. So here we have another one of those clean and simple elevated cards that Stampin' Up! Has come out with this year. Only in this kit, I have decided to dress it up a little bit. So I have added these colorful mats, pulling from the colors in the pre-printed pieces already, just so you can kind of frame your pieces and make them pop. You'll see the kit as designed is clean, simple, elegant. But just by adding that pop of color, it really transforms them. They're still clean and simple in my opinion, but slightly elevated. The kit will also come with these gold foil gems. However, I have chosen to use these holographic resin dots that have a little bit of green in them and reflect some of the peach color as well. So you would assemble them with the additional mats just like shown, but just add the mats underneath. If you want to, like these vellum pieces, it does include vellum pieces in the kit. This one I've used the petal pink ink and a blending brush just to add a little bit of color, and you can also use the soft seafoam to add color to your leaves there. Not sure what else I can tell you. The envelope flaps I've used an embossing folder on. I love doing that with my cards. Again, it just dresses up the envelope to make it even more festive right out of the mailbox. So again, this is the Loveliest Wishes card kit, and my free gift to you will be these mats along with the resin dots in your kit. You can find this kit and more on my website, creatingwithchristine.com.